This is a unisex type na klase na pabango. So this is the first product, guys, that I am going to talk about in this video. This is the Lux Fragrances by Lux Organics. Ito yung Golden Hour na variant. Tapos this is an EDT na klase na pabango. Ang content amount nito ay 100 ml and this is made in PRC, okay? Tapos, ang itsura naman po ng mismong bottle ay ganito mga kapatids. Ayan. Based on my experience, this is a unisex type na klase na pabango. This is best to use during daytime. As in, napaka-perfect to sa mga school or office setting kasi hindi siya intimidating. Ito yung klaseng pabango na bagay sa mga teens and above. Okay? So, kahit elementary ang gumamit ito. Alam nyo si Vash, guys, ito yung pinapabango ko sa uniform niya. Kasi kahit batang lalaki, as in bagay na bagay. If you're going to ask me naman kung ano yung scent ng Golden Hour in layman's term, meron siyang very subtle na citrus mixed with elegant floral, and kapag nag-dry down siya, meron siyang woody, musky na base, pero hindi naman matapang, okay? It gives that kind of vibe na very clean, very fresh, very airy, hindi talaga siya intimidating. So, itong pa-claim nila na fresh, light, and natural, as in, very legit po ito, itong pa-product claim nila dito. In terms of longevity naman, guys, based on our experience, ang 7 to 8 sprays nito last on our clothes for 6 hours. Tapos on our skin naman, mga 4 hours. So, overall, guys, for me ha, I highly recommend this. And if you're looking for something na fresh lang, unisex, effortlessly elegant, pero hindi mature na klase na pabango, and of course, affordable, I highly recommend this perfume.